Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Welcome to Terra Talks, the podcast where students share their most exciting outdoor adventures. Today we, the students of the Millennium School Amritsar, are diving into a fantastic school trip organized by EdTerra to Virat Khai Chakrata. Joining me are 6 of my friends who experienced this amazing journey with me.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So let's start with the introductions.
Hi, I'm Nimrat. The scenic beauty of Virat Khai was out of this world.
Hey, I'm Riaz. The trek was tough but totally rewarding.
Hi, I'm Hia. I was fascinated by the incredible diversity of insects we found.
Hi, I'm Saksham. Surviving with limited resources taught us some valuable lessons.
Hey, I'm Nitya. The outdoor activities were thrilling and fun.
Hi, I'm Kishnav. The whole trip was a mix of adventure and learning.
Great! Let's dive into our experiences. Riaz, why don't you start by telling us about the trek?
Sure, Prisha. The trek was one of the highlights of the trip. We started early in the morning and the path was quite challenging with steep climbs and rocky terrain. But the sense of achievement when we reached the top was unparalleled. The view from the summit was breathtaking. We could see endless forests and valleys, and it felt like we were on the top of the world.
That sounds amazing. Here, you were really into the insects. Can you share more about what you found?
Absolutely. Virat Khai Chakrata is home to an incredible variety of insects. We spotted colorful butterflies, unique beetles, and many other insects I'd never seen before. Our guides were knowledgeable and helped us understand the role these insects played in the ecosystem. It was like stepping into a live biology lesson and truly sparked my interest in entomology.
That is so interesting. Saksham, you mentioned surviving with limited resources. Now, what was that like?
It was quite an adventure in itself. We had to be very mindful of our water and food supplies. We learned to manage with what we had, which meant sharing and supporting each other. It was a great lesson in teamwork and resourcefulness. Plus, it made us appreciate the little comforts we often take for granted.
Clearly, survival skills can be very eye-opening. Nitya, what outdoor activities did you enjoy the most?
Oh, there were so many. One of my favorite was rock climbing. It was exhilarating to scale the rocks and reach the top. We also did valley crossing, which was both challenging and fun. Every activity pushed us out of our comfort zones and taught us new lessons.
Sounds like a blast. Kishnav, what was your overall impression of the trip?
The trip was a perfect blend of adventure and learning. We were engaged with different activities and surrounded by nature. It was a refreshing change from our daily routine, and we learned so much about ourselves and the environment. The experience was unforgettable.
Nimrat, you seemed captivated by the scenic beauty. Could you please describe it for our listeners?
Absolutely. Virat Khai is a paradise for nature lovers. The landscapes were so diverse, from dense forests to wide open meadows. We hiked through areas filled with vibrant wildflowers. The fresh air and the stunning views made every moment special. It felt like we were a part of a beautiful painting.
It really does sound like a picturesque place. So, any final thoughts on the trip?
It was an incredible experience that I'll never forget. The challenges we faced and overcame together made us stronger.
I learned so much about nature and the importance of every little creature in our ecosystem.
The survival skills we picked up will definitely stay with us. It was a great lesson in resourcefulness.
The activities were fun and thrilling. I'd love to go back and do it all over.
The whole trip was an enriching experience. We grew closer as friends and learned a lot along the way.
The scenic beauty of Virat Khai is something everyone should experience. It was truly breathtaking.
Thanks everyone for sharing your experiences. Virat Khai with EdTerra was clearly an unforgettable adventure. For our listeners, if you ever get a chance to visit, do not miss it. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. This is Prisha signing off from Terra Talks. Stay curious, stay adventurous. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.